अस्सलामुअलैकुम दोस्तों, मैं हूं अब्बास और आप देख रहे हैं रिव्यूज़ बाय अब्बास। दोस्तों आज मेरे पास कंपैरिजन की वीडियो है। टर्की का हेलीकॉप्टर है जिसका मॉडल T129 है, जिसका कंपैरिजन किया जा रहा है यूरोपियन टाइगर से। तो बहुत ही अमेजिंग वीडियो होने वाली है। सबसे पहले वीडियो देखते हैं, बाद में इस पर बात करते हैं। आर यू रेडी फॉर दैट? लेट्स स्टार्ट द वीडियो।
Hello everyone and welcome back to another thrilling episode of Jetline Marvel. In this video, we compare the T129 helicopter made in Turkey to the Tiger fighter helicopter built by Europe.
Okay.
The Eurocopter Tiger is a twin-engine assault helicopter with 4 blades that originally entered service in 2003. Airbus Helicopters manufactures it, formerly Eurocopter. It made its first flight in April 1991 and was placed into service in 2003. It is currently in use by the German, Australian, French, and Spanish armies.
Okay.
As of 2019, Airbus has produced over 180 aircraft. The T129 ATAK is a multi-role, all-weather assault helicopter with 2 engines and tandem seats, based on the Augusta A129 Mangusta chassis.
Okay.
Turkish Aerospace Industries collaborated with Augusta Westland to create the T129. The helicopter is developed for sophisticated assault and reconnaissance missions in both day and night settings in hot and high regions with rugged terrain.
Okay.
Let's talk about the specifications for both the helicopter. The T129 and Tiger both have 2 crew members. T129 is 47 feet 8 inches long, while the Tiger is 46.2 feet long.
लेंथ में जो है वो T129 आगे है।
Maximum takeoff weight of 5,056 kilograms, while the Tiger has a maximum takeoff weight of 6,000 kilograms. LHTEC turboshaft engines power the T129, while MTR 390 turboshaft engines power the Tiger.
Okay.
The T129 engine generates 1,014 kilowatts of power, whereas the Tiger generates 972
पावर में T129
kilowatts.
टर्किश हेलीकॉप्टर बहुत
The
आगे है।
T129 has a top speed of roughly 281 kilometers per hour, whereas the Tiger has a top speed of 290 kilometers per
स्पीड में
hour.
टाइगर ज़्यादा है।
The T129 has a range of 537 kilometers, and the Tiger has a range of 800 kilometers.
यहाँ पे टाइगर आगे है।
The T129 and Tiger has a same flight endurance of up to 3 hours.
Okay.
T129 can fly up to 15,000 feet in the air, but Tiger can fly up to 13,000 feet.
2000 फीट का जो है वो डिफरेंस आ रहा है यहाँ
T129
पे।
climbs at a rate of 13.26 meters per second, whereas the Tiger climbs at 10.7 meters per second. T129 has survival and safety to the maximum.
Okay.
State-of-the-art integrated aircraft survivability equipment, such as an advanced electronic warfare processor, radar warning receiver, laser warning system, missile warning system, and advanced self-protection using enhanced chaff and flare countermeasures dispensing system, radar and IR jamming capability, maximizes battlefield survivability.
Okay.
The Tiger hat is extremely maneuverable, thanks to a 13-meter, 4-bladed main rotor with no hinges. It's also powerful, due to 2 MTR 390 turboshaft engines that have been upgraded. The roof-mounted sight is equipped with a TV camera, thermal imager, laser rangefinder, laser designator, and a laser spot tracker that can track up to 4 objects at once. The Tiger head also includes combat external fuel tanks for longer mission flight periods, an enlarged flight domain for firing Spike and Hellfire anti-tank missiles, and digital communications for the new digitized warfare. Let's talk about the weapons that each helicopter carries. The T129 is equipped with a single M197 3-barrel rotary gun.
Okay.
It contains 4 hard points that can be used to carry a variety of weapons. It can carry up to 4 unguided rocket pods, such as the MKE, Fear, Hydra 70, and CRV-7. Anti-tank guided missiles such as the UMTAS and LUMTAS. 16 guided missiles were deployed against targets that were lightly armored or unarmored. Short-range air-to-air missiles and 8 air-to-air stringers, other drop tanks weighing up to 294 kilograms. Let's have a look at the specifications for the Tiger helicopter. It has a chin turret with a 30mm GIAT gun that can hold up to 450 rounds. Inner hard points, 20mm auto gun pods, and a 68mm SNEB unguided bomb pod can all be carried by the Tiger.
Okay.
Hydra 70mm unguided bomb for Hellfire missiles, for Spike missiles, 4 PARS missiles, and 4 Hawk 3 rockets. It can carry 2 Mistral air-to-air missiles, 2 air-to-air Stingers, 68mm SNEB unguided rockets, and 70mm Hydra 70 unguided rockets on its outer hard points. The Hunter Casca integrated control system has been exclusively created for the T129 ATAK helicopter. With its excellent tracking accuracy, the system enables the automatic alignment of target detection and weapons systems to the pilot's line of sight. ASIL FLIR 300T, a specialized electro-optical FLIR system, is also installed on the helicopter. The Tiger Head Block 2 helicopters are also navalized, meaning they can operate from ships and in maritime conditions. Both the forward-seated pilot and the aft-seated gunner can command the armament systems and primary flight controls, exchanging positions if necessary, thanks to the tandem seat glass cockpit configuration. Sensor data and information on internal systems are displayed on each crew member's pair of multifunction LCD screens, which are also used to interact with the aircraft's systems. The T129 attack helicopter first flew in 2009 and was introduced in 2014. Turkey has produced 78 helicopters as of 2021. It is mostly utilized by the Turkish Army and the Philippine Air Force.
Okay.
The Tiger helicopter flew for the first time in April 1991, and it was introduced in 2003. Airbus has so far produced 180 helicopters. The single helicopter will cost roughly $65 million according to the latest estimates. In the comments box, let us know what you think about both assault helicopters. Please tell us about your favorite.
Okay. नाइस एंड इन्फॉर्मेटिव वीडियो। मैं यहाँ पे आपको बताना चाहता हूँ कि जो T129 है वो यूरोपियन टाइगर से कुछ चीज़ों में जो है वो कम था, लेकिन इसके अंदर कुछ ऐसी चीज़ें थी बेसिक जो यूरोपियन टाइगर के अंदर भी नहीं थी। दूसरा पॉइंट ये है कि जो यूरोपियन टाइगर है वो 1991 में उसको डेवलप किया गया था और उसी ईयर के अंदर जो है ना उसने पहली फ़्लाइट ली थी। लेकिन ये जो टर्किश T129 है ये 2006 में इसने पहली फ़्लाइट ली। तो 1991 से लेकर आज तक जो है वो बहुत सारी रिसर्च करने के बाद बहुत सारे मॉड्यूल्स को जो है ना यूरोपियन टाइगर में अपडेट किया होगा, लेकिन उस टाइम से लेकर आज तक यूरोपियन टाइगर चंद चीज़ों में ही आगे है, लेकिन बहुत सारी चीज़ें जो हैं जो T129 के अंदर हैं वो यूरोपियन टाइगर के अंदर नहीं है। तो बहुत ही कम डिफरेंस है इतने अरसे के बावजूद। सबसे मेन चीज़ ये है कि जो बैन अटैक T129 है वो जिस हाइट पे जो है वो फ्लाई कर सकता है, ये यूरोपियन टाइगर उस हाइट पे फ्लाइट नहीं कर सकता। चाहे इसके अंदर आप जितने मर्ज़ी मॉडर्न जो है वो चीज़ें लगा लें, मॉडर्न मॉड्यूल तैयार कर लें, लेकिन अगर वो उस फ़्लाइट के ऊपर उड़ नहीं सकता तो वो कम्पीट कैसे करेगा। अटैक T129 जो है वो ऊपर से आके इसको जो है वो टारगेट कर सकता है। तो ये मेन चीज़ है जो इसके अंदर नहीं है लेकिन T129 के अंदर है। थैंक यू सो मच मेरे उस दोस्त का जिसने मेरे साथ इस वीडियो का लिंक शेयर किया। ओरिजिनल वीडियो का लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मिल जाएगा। आप ज़रूर ओरिजिनल क्रिएटर को सपोर्ट करें। दोस्तों आज के लिए इतना ही, मिलते हैं अगली वीडियो में, तब तक मुझे दीजिए इजाज़त। अल्लाह हाफ़िज़।